Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't think I've actually been on my channel with my glasses on, but these are my big old glasses. You hear my voice, it's terrible. I've lost it. That's why I haven't uploaded a few videos this past week, but it's still bad and it's still hard to talk for long periods of time. But we are doing a vlog today. I thought, I was just trying to think like, what could I do where I'm not talking? That's weird, right? But I am going to get a eyelash fill today, so you can see my eyelashes are definitely need to be filled in. So I am doing that today, so I thought I'd bring you along. Not sure if I'm going to be getting my eyebrows microbladed or not, so that may or may not be included in this video. We'll see by the title, right? But I really like this place. It's called Lash Vegas, and I think that's super clever. Yeah, I've been going there since about May now. But I have, like I said, I've never gotten my eyebrows microbladed before, but I have gotten them threaded there, and then as well as getting my lashes done. And I really like the person that does it. So I have been working with the specialist Karen, but she's also the owner, so you know she's doing a good job. Anyways, guys, so I'm actually in line for Starbucks right now. And then we're gonna head over there. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you never miss a future upload. All right, guys, let's go. Okay guys, so we're all done. Look at how beautiful. Oh my god, the fan almost got stuck in my hair. Okay guys, so we're actually gonna be taking care of the brows today. So I got my lashes done yesterday. They're so pretty. And right now my eyebrows, getting way too close. My eyebrows are just filled in with a pencil, and so I'm sure we're gonna have to wipe all of that off. But yeah, I'm a little nervous because I've never done this before, and it's kind of like a pretty permanent thing that I'm gonna be doing. So but like I said, my voice is shot, so hopefully this is entertaining and it's just something fun to show you guys. without me having to talk too much. And it's not even so much about me talking, it's just about you having to listen to this raspiness. But yeah, there's music playing here in the shop, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I look so crazy.
I said, I just ate. Corey brought me a wrap.
You need to shrink down because I did all. That's hilarious.
We're gonna go to bed. No, we were gonna go tonight, but it's just we're having to go.
Yeah, I wouldn't have put anything on if I knew to.
I'm gonna wipe off anyways. That's what I'm making it.
I know I shouldn't even put anything on my face either because, like, look at my mask. And like when a customer comes in anyways, I have to have it on, so it's like, why am
I thought about that this morning. I'm like, do I even need to be putting blush on? Because like that's what I'm wearing is blush and mascara, and then that's my blush on my mask.
Yeah, it's like ridiculous. I definitely stopped wearing like lipstick and stuff because that's just
my thing though. Like lipstick's what I like to wear.
Yeah,
but
it just got ridiculous. So everybody on the vlog, that's Karen. She's in the back. Hey, wait, bye. She's the best ever. And if you live in Vegas, or even if you don't, come through. No, I'm just kidding. But no, but seriously, yes. I'm gonna leave the description. I'm gonna leave everything in the description, so you'll be able to find her. But I forgot my tripod and all my stuff, so sorry if it shakes.
Okay, right now you probably can't do that.
What?
Hold on. You have to draw your eyebrows. So
okay, we have to go away. Bye. So apparently I lift this. Look, I did it right now. Apparently yes, I lift this eyebrow a lot, like when I talk and stuff, which I didn't know. But okay, so this is the before.
Take a picture.
Which looks weird.
You take a picture.
Okay.
A little blade. So it has like little pins.
Okay.
And that's what like kind of cuts into the skin, makes the hair like strokes.
Mm-hmm. So it's not a tattoo, guys.
Nope.
It's so weird how different you look from different angles. So I'm not gonna be able to do this the whole time, but
yeah, you're not. You want me to hold it, okay?
If you want.
I can video for you.
Yes. Wait, did you just do something?
Mm-hmm.
I can't even feel that. That's crazy. That's so weird. Oh, is that because of the numbing cream though?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Can I move this table?
Move it back towards me.
I think this is the quietest we've all ever been together.
Because we know we're filming.
That's really sexy. Oh my God, with my hair, the way that my hair fell and looks so, this is a look for sure. That is a look. We're not done. We're not done, guys. So it actually is so weird to look at, but it didn't. I have my mask on now. We've been exposed to each other.
Yes, we have.
So that's why I didn't have my mask on at first, but now I'm around other people, I guess.
Yeah, you better explain that just to make sure.
Okay, guys, we're doing a voiceover here because there was music playing in the salon. Karen was just explaining to me the aftercare tips. The grapeseed oil that you're going to see me apply later, you want to apply 4 times a day. You want to make sure that you don't get your eyebrows wet for the first like 48 to 72 hours, honestly, if you can help it. Avoid sun for 7 days. And then just other simple things like making sure you don't pick at it and things like that. That's pretty much all the aftercare tips. And then I think I do talk about the fact that there's a touch-up 6 to 8 weeks after you get the microblading done. So I just washed the bottom of my face. I'm going through with my magic eraser, kind of just around, because I cannot, well, first of all, I just got my eyelashes done the other day. You're supposed to keep your eyelashes dry for 24 hours. And it's been 24 hours, but you're also not supposed to have a lot of steam and heat. So I am avoiding that. And so I'm trying not to like sit under the running water. And then with the eyebrows, same thing. They actually can't get wet for a while. I forget how long she says, but I will update you. And I'll make sure I put all the information. So I didn't know that I was gonna get the microbladed today. I thought I was gonna have to wait for a bit. I didn't know she was gonna have time. And so I did wear like a light skin tint, and you know, I had like bronzer and some stuff on my forehead, but I didn't really clean it off as well. So it just is what it is. I'm gonna try to figure out somewhere to prop you so that I can show you this oil that I'm getting put on my brows before I go to bed. Okay guys, so we are a few hours shy of 2 days since I got my eyebrows microbladed. Obviously because I just like lighten my hair, excuse my voice, lighten my hair and everything, they just are really sticking out right now. They are healing up, so let's get kind of close here so you can see. Sorry to get so close where you can see all my pores and everything. So that's what it looks like right now. So at the time of this video going up, I think then I'll be able to give you guys like a 4-day update. But I'm definitely gonna be doing a part 2 so you can see how they heal. And also I'm going to have to get a touch-up in 6 to 8 weeks, so. Hey guys, so that is it. Sorry that I'm doing my outro in a car, but my last outro had really bad lighting. You don't even need to know any of that. I love how it looks. It's healing nicely. I do like the fact that I can just walk out with no makeup but still look relatively put together. So that's pretty much my goal for getting my lashes and brows done. I hope you enjoyed the video. My voice is almost back. You can still hear a little bit of a ting of a raspiness. So I appreciate you guys watching through all of that. And yeah, so like I said, this was fun. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. And yeah, so that's it. Until next time, guys, much love.